It says on your own. Build a rectangular prism with the given number of unit cubes, shade to show the top and front view. Now I want you to pause the video, answer this question, and continue watching the video and check your answers. Now we need to make a rectangular prism using 24 unit cubes. I hope you paused the video and now you are trying to check your answer with me. Now 24 unit cubes. This is a large number actually. Let's count how many squares do we have in the front of you here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I think we can use all the 12, right? Okay, as I told you before, this is one of the correct answers. There are other correct answers, okay? The prisms may vary, okay? So now we are going to shade the 12 squares. Now I will use this front view, and don't draw with me. I want you just to look and understand. So this is the front view and we have here 12 squares. Now if we make it like this, because actually we are using cubes, not squares, to create three-dimensional shape, rectangular prism. Okay. Now here we have how many cubes? With this top view, how many cubes do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm talking about the cube, okay? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in the first layer, this is the first layer with this top view, here, right there. Okay. Those are 12 cubes. But how many unit cubes we are asked to use? We are asked to use 24, which is double the number. Because as you know, 12 plus 12 equal 24. So we will have to draw another layer. So we will be having here second layer. So we have here first layer and second layer. So we have 2 layers. Each layer is 12 cubes. So it's 24 unit cubes. But I want you to have a look at the top view, because we are going to use it in shading the top view here. Let's do it together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in order to make it in the same sequence, we are going to shade like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see that this part is typical to this part here. Okay. Now I need to erase this because you have only to shade the squares. Without those extra drawings were just for explanation, okay? Of course you should shade in a better way, but because I'm in a hurry. Okay, so Well done, boys and girls. Now, I want you to think with me here and think smarter. Okay? Actually, this is a higher level of analytical skills. Let's read the question first. The top, side, and front views of a rectangular prism are shown. Build the prism. How many unit cubes are used to build the solid? Now, this is the opposite of all the questions we have solved. In every previous question, we were given the unit cubes and we were asked to shade the top view and the front view. Now here we are given the top view, the front view, and the side view, and we are asked to count how many cubes. Now if you use the same method that I explained, this would be so easy. Now we have here top view like this. Okay, and we have front view like this. I will draw it here. Okay, so we have this like that. This is for the first layer, so I already drew this. Let's draw this, the second layer. And here we have the side view. The side view, which is like this. Okay. Now, let's count how many cubes do we have. Now, I draw the top view, the same like this one, okay? And the top view the same, and this is the side view. Actually, the most important here view for me is the top view and the front view, and that you will understand why. And of course, it's the side view, but we can use the top view and the front view to estimate the number of the cubes. Now, let's count together. Now, we have here in the first layer, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I'm counting the cube itself. The whole cube, not just the square, not just the top view. I'm counting the cube. 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So the first layer for me here, the first layer, it's 15 units. But I have another layer, this layer. Can you see it? This layer that I'm shading in purple. This is another layer of another 15 units. So we have here 15 units plus 15 units because we have 2 layers, okay? We have here 15 units per layer. And we have 2 layers. This is 1 and this is 2. So 15 plus 15 equal 30. So we have 30 unit cubes. Now, let's move to the last question of today's lesson. Jen uses 18 cubes to build a rectangular prism. The top and front views are shown. Shade to show the side view. Now here we have the top view and the front view. From the front view, you can estimate how many layers do we have? 2 layers. Excellent. So I will draw it like this. Because actually drawing makes it much easier for you to imagine. So this is the top view because we have 2 layers. What about the side view? The side view should be like this. We take it from the top view, this line, and we take it down. Okay? Then we take from this line and we move like that, another line like that. Okay? Now let's count how many squares are there. Okay? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? So let's shade the 6 side views. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is the end of today's lesson. I hope you understand this lesson, and I hope you are fine and all your family is safe. Miss you so much, grade 2. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Goodbye.